Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Zendrop for Shopify dropshipping. I've put a link down in the description to Shopify and Zendrop, so if you're interested, feel free to check it out. In order to do this, you'll have to basically connect your Zendrop store to Shopify store. And in order to do that, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC and log into zendrop.com using your user credentials. After you logged in, you will see this page where you will see the Connect My Store button at the top. Now, you'll also have to navigate to your Shopify store and log in with your credentials. After you log in, click on this Add Apps button at the left of the screen and you will see this page. Here, you'll have to click on this Shopify App Store and it will take you to another page where you can search for Zendrop add-on. So click on Search App Guides and More and search for Zendrop. Hit enter. It will open up this page where you can see the pricing, highlights, rating and the developer for Zendrop. Now you can also view this video through which you can get an overview of Zendrop. Scroll down and you'll be able to see all the features of Zendrop. Now click on Install button here and it is going to open up another page where you can install Zendrop on Shopify. So click on Install again on this page and we have successfully installed our Zendrop on Shopify. As you can see, we didn't even need to connect our store. Our store is automatically connected to Zendrop here. So just make sure you have already logged into Zendrop, open your Shopify account and install Zendrop and you'll be automatically promoted to another page that is Zendrop and your Shopify store will be already connected to this. So when we refresh this page, as we can see, we are not able to see connect your store page, but our store is already connected. Now you can navigate to find products and select any one of these products, click on add to my products, navigate over to my products, click on review and publish and choose publish to my store. And after doing this, this product will be successfully added to your Shopify store. As you can see, it's currently publishing. You can navigate back to your store. You'll be able to see that this product has been published. Now your Shopify has been integrated with Zendrop. You can do all the drop shipping using Zendrop and Shopify in one page. Now when you click on this linked button, it is going to open up your Shopify store where you will be able to see this products page. Now you can edit the media of this product. You can edit the variants, color, size and all the variants you'll have. You can also edit the search engine listing and the status of this product, title and description. So you can edit this anyhow you want. After it's done, click on this view your online store button and it will quickly open up your online store where you can see that the product you chose from Zendrop is appearing here. So it's looking pretty good. This is how you can get products from Zendrop to Shopify and use them together. So that's how you use Zendrop for Shopify dropshipping. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.